Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Rahul Chore and today we will see how to use Rotate Resize command in Creoparametric. So if you are new on this channel and you don't have the Creoparametric software, so the link of the how you can download the Creoparametric software in free, you can get guidance on that. So just go to my channel and see the video. And now we'll focus on today's point. Those who are regularly watching the videos, just open your Creoparametric and then take the new file, and then type as a part type and subtype as a solid and take the tick mark and click on OK. I used to start with a basic and from starting process, because the purpose is the students who are new on this channel, and so they can get all the process. This is the main purpose. Click on this millimeters, click on OK. Now here system will generate the interface. In this all the views are there. Here right front top, click on the front view and click on this sketch command is also here, and in this model tab click on the model. Sketch command is here, click on the sketch and then click on the sketch view. Now in this sketch tab, today we will see this resize command. Here you can observe the command is currently in inactive phase. Rotate resize means if I am going to click over there, it's not getting clicked or active or start. Okay, so now for better understanding, we require one drawing. So first of all, I will take this rectangle, center rectangle, click on the center point. Say a rectangle started to generate, click the second point, move away and press middle mouse button of your mouse, and again go to the sketch, and here you can see now command you can find in active phase. Okay, just click this rotate resize command. Okay, like this. Now again second tab is open here, rotate resize. Just click on this rotate tab. Here different options are available here. The main three functions are available here for rotate resize. For resize purpose, enter the new horizontal dimension value, and here this is the enter reference to rotate entity. Okay, and here is the enter new vertical dimension value. Okay, means if you put any value over here, it will be implicated vertically. In this, if you put any value over here, it will be implicated to horizontally. Okay, and if you enter angle value, any angle value over here, so the object will be take that angle. Okay, so I will show you how it's going. Okay, now just observe here this is 0.00, this is also 0.00, means this object is currently at coordinate, okay, at exactly center. Or now by changing, just put the value over here. I will put not 100, 50 mm and press the enter. Here you can see, okay, the object center point is shifted from this point to this point by 50 mm in horizontal way. Okay, so this is the purpose of this first. And if you put 50 in the other tab and press the enter, okay, here you can see, and the next this point was first point was here. Now it is shifted from this point to this point. Okay, this is 50 mm in the x axis and 50 mm in the y axis. Here you can see this is the x axis and this is the y axis. Okay, and again go to the rotate resize, and here now I will put some angle value 30 degree, put 30 and press the enter. Here you can see whole object is rotated by 30 degree. Okay, here you can see this 30 angle. Okay, now let's go to the rotate sketch and click on this green tick mark. Our sketch is completed in this command. Okay, now again command is in active phase. Okay, now just click on the OK. Sketch is completed. Okay, Hope you got your concept, and kindly subscribe the channel. It's humble request. Thank you very much, friends.